Hi, I'm Marie Jenkins from Advance Your Wellbeing, and today we're going to look at keep learning, which is one of the 5 ways to wellbeing model elements. Keep learning. So what's your approach to personal development? Have you been in the same job role for a number of years and are happy being in your comfort zone, doing the same things day in, day out? But what if I told you that you had so much more untapped potential? What if you stretched out of your comfort zone and learnt a new skill or a new role? Something that gives you purpose, something that ignites your passions. That was me. I was living in my comfort zone as a head of service. But you need to find what it is that you're passionate about. So think about what sort of goals you want to achieve. Find a course and then enroll on it and learn. If you're interested in joining us for our 5 Ways to Wellbeing workshop on the 7th of January, look in the comments below for our Eventbrite links and we'll see you then. Thanks a lot.